Hey folks, hey, this is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin here, and I got a great video for you. I've got a lot of people who have been asking me for NFTs. They say, Wes, what is an NFT and how can I make money? And what you're looking at is a real life NFT that I'm selling right now for $41,000. Like imagine Wesley Virgin here with his Christian Dior shirt on, Christian Dior shoes, and someone paying me $41,000. And I'm gonna show you how to sell it and how to sell it fast to make some easy freaking money online. First step is this. You must have Chrome, okay? You gotta use Chrome. You can't use freaking Internet Explorer. You can't use Google. You have to use Chrome. And you need to go to a site by the name of metamask.io. Please do this with me, okay? Do it with me, guys. I'm going to show you something here. It's powerful here. metamask.io. Listen, you have people like Logan Paul. He just sold a freaking Pokemon digital card or a non-fungible token for $5 million. So I said, if he can make $5 million, I can make $40,000, okay? So listen, you can make how much money as you want to make, but you have to do very specific things in a very specific way to do it. So go to the site metamask.io and you want to click the word that says download. Once you click download, you're going to see something like this, okay? You're going to see how you're going to add the extension to Chrome. Click there that says add to Chrome. Click add to extension. Are you guys with me? Smash the like button if you're with me here, okay? Then it's going to check and then it is done. It's going to move you here. Right? You're going to click get started here, okay? Now, what you're going to need to do is create a wallet here. Now, I already have a wallet, but I'll do it again just for you to make sure you understand how this works. Create a wallet here. You see that? You're going to click agree, okay? Let me put a password in here. Okay, give me a second here. Put a password. And this is so simple to do. You know, these NFTs are insane. Then what you want to do, you're going to see secret backup phrase here, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click remind me later. It's not important to do that now. Just remind me later, okay? Now, it's almost time to go. As you can see here, this is your MetaMask wallet here, okay? Now, the next site that you'll want to go to right now is what is called OpenSea.io. Please screenshot that. I'll put a link in the description below. OpenSea.io, okay? Once you go to that website there, basically you're going to see all these non-fungibles. Look, this guy is selling this freaking image for 999 Ethereum, okay? Understand, it is sold in Ethereum. Ethereum is another cryptocurrency that's managed by the blockchain, okay? So it's Ethereum. One Ethereum is about $2,000. So basically here, these are the images that people are uploading every single day. Okay, there we go. See this? This guy right now is selling this for 154, what's that, trillion? I'm not sure. Now, look, I know that looks insane, right? I know it looks crazy, but people right now are bidding for this stuff. It's insane, right? And what I'm saying is you could do it too, and I'm sure how easy it is. I thought it was hard, but it's very simple to do this. And these people starting to cash in here, okay? Let's go from low to high here. Look at this. This is insane how this works. These are non-fungible tokens here. And as promised, I am going to send many of you free Ethereum. All you need, Ethereum. All you have to do is this. Send me, or in a comment below, post your address. That's it. Your Ethereum address. If you put it below, I'm going to send you some cash, okay? So, listen. Now, the next step is, now this is what you need to do. You need to pay close attention to this right now. You want to go to create, okay? My collections here, because we're getting ready to do it, right? Sign into your wallet that we just created here. As you can see, that's my wallet there. Hit next, okay? I'm gonna hit connect. Boom, boom, boom. Here we go. You'll come to a screen like this. You click on create collections here. And you can name it whatever you want to, okay? It doesn't matter. We'll say billions because I'm going to make $1 billion for no reason here. and you want to put a logo, you can put anything here. It doesn't matter here. What I'm going to do, let's put a picture of Wesley Virgin in the bathtub. How about that? Okay. There's a logo here. See how simple this is? Create. We're getting close to make some money, so stay with me here. So this is not a non-fungible. This is just my logo. Now, when you click on add items, this is when we're going to add a NFT to the OpenSea network, which is the largest NFT network on the planet right now. Millions of people are going to the site and they're buying digital non-fungible tokens. It's insane, right? It's just crazy. So many different ways to make money right now. So look. So what we're going to do is we're going to add an item, okay? Are you guys with me here? And listen, if you want some of this free Ethereum, all you need to do is tag as many people as humanly possible right now. If you tag people below, you put your Ethereum address, your Coinbase account, I am going to send you some money after this video. I'll comment on your post and I'm going to send you some free Ethereum. Is that cool? All right, so look. All right, so we're going to add an item. Now listen, when we add an item, that means that we're getting ready to create a Ethereum coin. Now understand, for the first transaction here, you got to have at least like $80 in here. But that's why I'm going to send you some money, okay? So a couple of you, I'm going to send you $80. I'm going to send you $80 worth of Ethereum, okay? So you have to worry about it. But understand, when you do it the first time, it may be $30, $50, but that just activates you on the blockchain as it relates to this website so you can sell, okay? So here, so the question is, what do you want to create? Look at this. Image, video, audio, 3D model. This is great for artists. Like if you're an artist, oh my God. Listen, you're about to become a very potentially wealthy person because you can put your art here and you can make it a NFT and you can sell it on this network. I mean, I know some people, they're doing this full time right now, right? It's crazy. I knew one guy, he's a singer. He sold one of his art for $11 million, his first album, and he's not even that famous. It's crazy. Okay, now look. So we're going to click here. So who do you want? Let's make an NFT out of somebody. How about Ariella? Okay, Ariella, she works for me here. Let's make her an NFT, okay? You see her, she got a Gucci bag here. She thinks she fly with the glasses. I mean, she is fly, it is what it is, right? She's a multi-millionaire, so we're gonna put $1 million Ariella here. And the great thing about this, you can make anything an NFT, doesn't matter. And when I make her an NFT, that means that nobody can duplicate this. No, this is not interchangeable. You gotta pay money for her, okay? So the question is, how much is Ariella gonna be worth? Comment below, tell me. And if you don't know who this is the young lady that I helped become a multi-millionaire. She's 29 years old. And now she's rich, you know, based off my mentorship. But, you know, listen, whatever. Look, scroll down here. Now, understand, there's many things you can do. I'm not going to do none of this stuff. You can do properties, which means is if you're searching for something very specific on the OpenSea network, you can put her in categories. But we're not going to put her in a category because she don't need to be in a category. She's in a category of her own. Supply. Now, this is very important. Okay. This is very important when it comes to supply. If you want to make a ton of money, it should be one. Why? Because it's only going to be one of her. It's going to be one NFT of this photo right now. If you did 2, 3, that means more of her, right? We want to make it more valuable. Okay. So we're going to click the word create. You see this pop up. Are you guys with me here? Okay. And then you hit sell. Look, I'm going to sell Ariella. Oh my God. People, I know what you guys thinking. I'm not a pimp. I'm not selling her. I'm just selling her picture. Okay. It's an NFT. It's so cool how this works here. You can set a price. I want somebody to give me a price right now. What should be the amount that I sell Ariella for? Okay. Now, obviously, I would never sell her, right? I love her. I need her part of my company. But let's be honest. She's an NFT now. So how much? Let's say we're going to sell her for 80 Ethereum, okay? 80. And that's like $160,000 there. Because remember, one Ethereum is about $2,000 right now, right? If we go to, let's look at the prices of Ethereum right now. Oh my God, I logged out. Give me a second. Hold on. Let me get back in here. This is my Coinbase account here. Look. Let me show you the price of Ethereum right now. 2,100, right? That's one. Right? That's one. So the thing is, we're going to sell for 80, right? Everything here can be default. You click the word post your listing here. Bada boom, bada bing. Oh, I have insufficient funds. So all that means is I just need to send some money to here. And like I said before, you have to just do it one time. That's all you got to do. Right? So I'm going to copy that. And this is what I'm going to send you as well. Give me a second here. Let me go to my wallet here. This is my Ethereum here. And I'm going to put, I'll put $90 here. And you just do this one time. But what I'm going to do, that's the address that you need to comment below. So go ahead and do that. You get that from here, right here. Just put that in the comment section below with many people. I'm going to send you some money as well. And then I'm going to click continue here. Bada boom. Bada bang. And there we go. Look. I mean, all this blockchain stuff is just so fascinating. So that's done. So we have to wait maybe 2 to 3 minutes here. And this is going to update. And then I can post it to the network here, okay? Does that make sense? Then I'll be able to post it to the network. So listen on this. Let's do a refresh here. Now, how many of you can do this, okay? And you can put whatever price you want. Let's try to post the listing again. Hold up, we're gonna put her for, let's put 90. There we go, you see that? The money was transferred in, hit confirm. And like I said, you only do this one time. And now, let's see here. Try it one more time, hold on. And as you look here, now Ariel is worth $188,000, $719,000. This is now public on the actual network, like right now. Does that make sense? Like this is a live NFT of Ariella on the OpenSea network. I mean, millions of people will see it. And guess what? If I get a bid, if I get somebody to say, hey, I want to give an offer, it'll show up here. And this is just the image. So listen, you can do the same thing as well. Okay. Okay. Does that make sense? All right. So what I want to do is I want to send you guys some free ether. Who wants some free ether here? All you need to do if you want free ether right now, I just explained to you right now how to create an NFT. Right now, this image is a NFT. It's a non-fungible token. It is worth $188,000. It's the price that I'll put. And the great thing about this website, you have millions of people right now that are selling NFTs every single day. And people are buying this stuff. Don't ask me why. Now, let me give you something else before I give you some free Ethereum here. Let me show you something that you don't know. Listen, say if you're a brand new person, you might say, well, Wesley, I want to sell something, but I want to know if it's actually going to sell. This is what you do, okay? You basically click on has offers on the OpenSea.io web page, okay? And what you're going to do here, you're going to see actual NFTs that are actually trying to sell right now. Now, how good is that? That's amazing, right? And what you're going to do is model. Okay, that's all you're going to do. You're going to model. You're not going to copy, but you're going to model exactly what you see. Does that make sense? So you're going to make your own little picture. You're going to find out what's selling. Okay. All right, here we go. Look here. So this person right now is selling that gift right now for 0.14. It already has offers on it. This has offers on it as well. This has offers. So what you can do here, it seems like people love naked people. I don't know. So what you can do is you can create something similar. If you're an artist, this is powerful, okay? You just go here and post it. You can post as many as you want. That's insane, right? And what I would do if I wanted to make money quickly, well, I would just model one of these, right? And I will post it on the network. Does that make sense? Now, listen, if you want me to send you some free Ethereum right now, let me show you what you got to do, okay? Are you guys still here with me? Hello? Hello? Are you still here? When your MetaMask wallet, I need to get your account wallet address. When you copy that, you want to comment that under this video here in the description all day. And as this video is live, I'm going to send you some free Ethereum, 5 to 10 people. All you have to do is comment below with your Ethereum address. Does that make sense? Okay. And I'm going to send you $90 to 5 people to help them with the initial cost to create your first NFT. Listen, this is easy. This is simple here. I love you guys so much. I appreciate the love. Smash the like button if you got value. Listen, if you need to watch this again, just watch it again. I know it may seem a little bit complicated here, but you have to imagine creating some weird things like this, right? And making hundreds of thousands of dollars per year, tens of thousands of dollars just by putting images. Listen, the world has changed, and it's changed in a very, very productive way. Why? Because it's easier than ever to use NFTs to make money online. It's insane. Go get your money. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Much love. Remember, copy your Ethereum address below. And if you want some free Ethereum, I'm going to give out some from the top of my heart because I want you guys to become wealthy, and I want you to understand that this is your time. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go! Later, folks.